Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here for a plan with me in my Sterling Ink A5 Common Planner, and I will be using stickers from my July release. These are the beach time stickers. Now, I have a caveat. I am not anywhere near a beach, and I'm not going to a beach this week, but I thought I need to use these colors because they're so pretty. So what comes in this collection is the deco sheet, the circles, the dots and swatches, and the quote and washi. And these are all hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I scan them and make them into stickers. So let's get started. So I'm also going to bring in some of my Shimmer Ink Splatter stickers because I think they'd be a really good match for that. So what pens am I even using for this week? I might use my Pelikan M800, which has Rohrer and Klingner Deep Pine, and possibly, why is this difficult? Possibly my, oh gosh, is it the same pens that I'm going to use from last week? I don't necessarily want to do that. I want to make sure that I am spreading the pen love around. Hold on. Okay, choosing that took longer than I wanted it to, but I'm in a rush. So I'm going to use my Zodiac Pen Co. Abalone, and this has Birmingham Pen Co. Neutron Star, and then I'm going to use my Le Bon 325, which has Wearingeul Dracula. Yes, yes, it has Wearingeul Dracula, right? Oh my gosh, my brain is not working today. Yes, Wearingeul Dracula. Okay, anyway, let's put these down. But I also kind of want to use these. They do match. Don't make this difficult, Karina. Don't make it too difficult on yourself to figure out what you want to use. They're stickers. Don't overthink them. They just go down on the paper. I'm having a little bit of a, well, rushed morning. I wanted to start decorating this and filming this maybe about 20 minutes ago. And I got distracted by something else, just confirming details for the Pacific Northwest Pen Show, which is this week. And thankfully that has been sorted out. Oh, I hate when that happens, when you try to put a sticker down straight and it does not. Then I'm going to put, let's see, I'm gonna actually put this along the side of it because it could be a little bit like the ocean. But yeah, this week is a busy week. I've got orders to work on from my new release. I've got to get the, I guess, swag bags ready for the pen show, because whoever is attending my class will get a sticker collection from me. Oh, hello, puppy. I know Lucy decided to come in. Hello, puppy. Let's put a little watermelon down and a beach ball. Cute. All right, then, so while I'm getting that done, oh, bless you. While I'm trying to get stuff done for the pen show, there's also still work happening, so it's quite the week for things. But I was saying to my husband yesterday, I'm like, when am I not this busy? I feel like I'm always busy, which is the story of my life, really. And I think it's like I do this to myself. Oh, okay, let's put down a blue one. I actually really like the look of these ink splatters with the circles. Let's put the hat down. I actually really love this hat. I want one for myself. And let's put this palm tree, whoops, down on this side. It's like, Karina, just put the damn sticker down. There we go. And put the ice cream and sunglasses here. So yeah, it's a short work week for me. I only have Monday through Wednesday for work, and then I am in Portland for the rest of the week. Ooh, sticker sheet finished. And then let's see. Okay, I will leave that as is for now, and then I'll start writing in on the sidebar here. So let's go with Wearing Gold Dracula on the side here. Make sure I'm still in frame, and using blotting paper, especially when I am using fountain pen ink and have a tendency to smudge. But also, this helps to prevent the oils from your hands, or the lotion or anything like that that you've got on your hands from getting on the paper, which can definitely affect the way that the pen and ink go down. So first, doing my sleep graph, which I have to say, my sleep has actually been quite good recently. And I say quite good, like the scores are within the 80s right now. And then my workouts. That blue, wow. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, then let's see my work shift. So let's do it this way. So the work and work. It's so strange now having a schedule that's 9 to 5:30 when I used to do 8:30 to 7:30. And to have the evenings off. It's been this whole new routine that I've had to get adjusted to, but so far so good. I'm really enjoying the people that I'm meeting and what I'm learning about the company so far, and really, really enjoying it. Okay, so there are going to be different things in the schedule this week because I am away. So let's see, the things to do on the Monday evening will be to meal plan and order groceries, but I will also need to finish out orders and print off the stickers that I am giving to the people attending in my class. So I guess class stickers. Okay, then checking the time. Okay, we got that. And then Tuesday evening, my husband will put out the garbage. Gosh, I really love this ink. Wearing Gold Dracula. I didn't think I would like this ink as much as I do, but wow. So getting out my mini icons here. And placing that there. That's cute. And then we're going to pick up groceries Wednesday evening because it's just easier that way. So here. Pick up groceries. Oh gosh, I'm really enjoying this ink. It's just, wow. Okay, then there's actually something important that's happening on that day, and I'm thinking maybe use one of these. So let's use the red, because I am meeting my brother and sister. So when for just meeting up with my brother and sister that evening, then I know that I'll have to pack and all that, but I will write that down as I go. But important things that I need to remember are, let's see here, I have a massage, because of course I need a massage before I go away. important. Then pretty much immediately after, I actually have another doctor's appointment. So getting a whole bunch of stuff done that day. Oh, don't I have a doctor icon? I do, and I've never really used it, which, hold on. I know I have one. I think what I'm going to do, actually, is combine these. So we'll put the circle down and then put the doctor's. Oh, cute. Then okay. Then there's other important information that I won't put on here just yet. And then I am hoping to, on that day, do a coffee and donuts tour in Portland, because of course, coffee, donuts. Then on Saturday is the actual class. So there's 2 classes, one on Saturday, one on Sunday. And I'm freaking out because I'm just amazed that people want to come and see me. And I'm so grateful for this opportunity to be able to meet people and just talk to everyone. But I'm also doing that thing of, is what I'm gonna say be worthwhile? And yeah, freaking out a little bit, freaking out. So I feel like an emoji to show off these classes would be ideal. So maybe let's do throwing up one, maybe. Okay. Okay, you know what? We'll be positive and be nice to myself here. I'll do a. I don't know. Why am I overthinking this? Because I'm excited and nervous is why. I am excited for this opportunity. Yeah, okay, let's put this down. So this one is 10:30 to 12. Actually, they're both 10:30 to 12. Now, I won't be putting my kids' schedule on here because it will be up to my husband to manage that this coming weekend. So, creative journaling. And then actually, on Sunday, I have a little pen nib here from Planner Monkey Co. I have an appointment with Gina Salarino, and they will be working on a few pens for me, which I am very excited. Gina does some great work, and I'm excited to see what they can do for my pens. So 9 o'clock with Gina. Oh gosh, my writing. And then here again, 10:30 to 12 o'clock, creative journaling. And then I fly back home that day. Okay, so how is this looking so far? I know there's gonna be things that I add in here as the week goes on, but that, oh, I'm forgetting that the cleaner is coming on Wednesday. Oops, wrong pen. So I have a cleaner who comes once a month, and just to give me a break for a week. But I also try to schedule it right before I go on any sort of trip, because then I can come back to a lovely clean house. The last time we had our cleaner here was right before my husband and I went on our trip to Kelowna, and it was so nice to come back to a clean house because, I mean, the kids weren't there. The kids were at my relatives, so nobody was in the house really. Okay, I feel like there's other stuff that I can add. Oh, my habits. I've been good about listening to my audiobooks. I actually finished 2 last week. One I finished within 2 days because I could not put it down. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now that that is down, I can put down other things as well. Like maybe, you know what? No, should I leave it? I feel like I'm gonna leave it and see how that goes. All right. Okay. I was rushing to get that done, but I like how that turned out, and this is gonna be a fun week, and I'm gonna try and vlog this week as well for my daily journal. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.